like me and can barely look after yourself, and you see everyone with their indoor plants now, and then you get them and they die and you're like, why? Well, move to Succulent. So what we're making today is a vertical succulent garden. It's gonna look schmicko, and we're even gonna paint a chalkboard and put it underneath so you can write like, Kane, go grocery shopping, or what's up, you know. I don't know if you would write what's up, but anyway, let's do it. We need some stain, some chalk paint, your painting accessories, the Monarch wood care range, Smart Lock foam roller, Monarch mini construction adhesive, some wire mesh, plywood, and a bit of pine for the frame, some rope, okay, maybe not that much rope, potting mix, a drill and stapler, some succulents, and of course some more. First step is to paint our ply with the chalk paint with our foam roller. Next, using our Monarch wood care brush, we're going to whack on a few coats of stain. Monarch Smart Lock mini roller is the absolute bee's knees because you can store it in the storage container in between coats, even up to 2 weeks. Chalkboard's painted, 3 coats. It looks like I bought one, but I've decided to make it a bit more fancy. I'm going to put some trim around it, so picture frame it. I'm going to cut this on a 45-degree angle. I think I'll even paint this bad boy in chalk paint. Mate! Kookaburra. I'm trying to film something here. Take 2. Okay, I've pre-coated our timber with stain, just so for waterproofing reasons. I'm going to put another coat on it after we're done. But basically, we're getting Monarch mini construction adhesive, gluing our box together, chuck a few nails in it, then we'll be ready for wiring. Okay, get your soil, put it through the cracks till it's full up the top, and then we can start putting the succulents in. Once you finish, leave your masterpiece in the sun for at least a couple of weeks, then you can hang it.